How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just want to show you some of this Honeyz mail I got. I finally went to my post office today. I hadn't been since all this quarantine mess has started. I hadn't been to the post office at all. So I had several things in my post office mailbox. I had on my mask and my plastic shield. I didn't put on no makeup because the mask and stuff just rub it off. So when I went into the post office, I was pleasantly surprised to see they got yellow tape 6 feet apart on the floor. So there was a lady standing way back from the other woman in front of her. So I was going to get in front of her and I said, "Miss, you in line?" She said, "Yes." And then I said, "Oh, that's right. I forgot. You know, you're supposed to distance yourself 6 feet, at least 6 feet apart." And they started laughing at me. So then everybody in there was wearing a mask. They had a sheet of plastic separating the lobby from the back where the workers were working. So, and the workers, they were wearing masks. So I was glad to see that. So I went to my mailbox, and the first thing I got was this card. It was sent a little before Easter by Denise. I ain't gonna give her last name. She sent this card. I'm just not getting it, Denise. It says, "A blessing at Easter as you serve the Lord. May the Lord bless you and protect you. May the Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. May the Lord look with favor on you and give you peace." Numbers 6:24-26. That's how the front of the card looks. The inside reads, "May God continue to bless you as you serve him and his people. And may this special time of rejoicing in our risen Lord refresh your heart and spirit in the wonder of his love. Have a blessed Easter." To MzBrazell and Walter. Family. Have a blessed Easter. God bless you in all that you do. I enjoy watching you on YouTube. Keep the videos coming. May God bless you and keep you. Love always, Denise. Thank you very much, Denise. I keep all my cards that my honey send me. Thank you very much. It's very much appreciated. And I'm sorry for the late acknowledgement of it, but I'm just now getting it because I've been staying home. Thank you very much. This touches my heart, for real. Something else, okay, that was in my post office mailbox. This was in there. Okay. I usually thank everything. I'm grateful for everything that my honeys send me. So I guess this was a honey. Don't say who it's from. But don't be sending me no lingerie. Okay? I appreciate if you want to do something for me. I'm glad you got a gift card so I can go on Amazon and choose something in the place of this. Don't send me no lingerie, y'all. Whoever this is, it's in my size too. Lord have mercy. I'm not wearing this. I'm not going to accept anything like this from any of my honeys. Okay? You know, my husband, don't be sending me nothing like this. But thanks for thinking about me. And I'm hoping you have pure thoughts toward me. And I'm sure this is from the same person. I had to actually go in the locker to get this. Okay. A purple wig. I'm not even going to open it. So it has a gift card, or not a gift card, a gift receipt. So I can just order something else. It says enjoy from a loyal subscriber. So I can exchange this using this code on here that I can use to exchange each of these items. So this is a purple wig. Y'all know that ain't me. I'm wearing no purple. But thanks for thinking about me, because you didn't have to send me nothing. And I will use the gift receipt to replace it with something that I will actually wear. So thank you. Okay. I'm going to do this today, and I'll come back in another video and let you know what I replaced this with. Okay? So like I said, you ain't got to send me nothing. I appreciate it, but this is stuff that I'm not going to use at all. And if you've been my honey for a while, you know I'm not into this kind of stuff. Okay. But that's the end of my honey mail. So, thanks for watching. Oh, I went to Aldi. Couldn't bring y'all with me because I didn't want to have my iPod. That's what I film on. I didn't want to have my iPod out and getting germy. So I just kept it put up. And I didn't film. So I got 2 packs of chicken wings and a pack of pork chops. And toilet paper. They had lots and lots of toilet paper in there. And they have lines on the floor in Aldi where you're supposed to stand 6 feet behind the person in front of you. So I like that. And people are wearing gloves and masks. So I like that. And there's somebody at the door. She's bringing shopping carts back in and sanitizing the shopping carts. But I didn't even use a shopping cart. I just took my shopping bag and I tried to touch as little as possible. You know, I did have my gloves on. And before I got in the car, I took my gloves off. So, and I don't throw my gloves on the parking lot ground. I've seen so many of them. It's trifling. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. You all stay safe. Please stay safe. Okay. Be blessed. Bye. Oh, every goodbye ain't gone. Okay, somebody by the name of Misty sent me some money through my Cash App. I don't know who this person is, but I appreciate it. I imagine she's one of my honeys. She watched my videos. I want to thank you so much. And somebody else sent me some money. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I do be buying stuff to show and use in my videos. I get a lot of stuff from companies, but I spend a lot of money too, because I enjoy doing this. I'll do for real. So thank you. And if anybody else want my Cash App number, is $MzBrazell. So thanks again. Bye.